Hey guys, many people skip breakfast because they don't have time, which is not a good thing. Today I'm going to show you how to make a protein rich smoothie. Please check out the ingredients, their nutritional value, and health benefits. Let's get started. We need one medium sized banana, half avocado, 2 handful of spinach, 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, half of green apple, lemon juice, salt as per taste, and water. Before making this smoothie, let's look at the nutritional value and health benefits of these ingredients. Spinach is low in calories, rich in fiber, rich in vitamin A, C, K, and B vitamins, rich in minerals as well, such as manganese, iron, magnesium, and calcium. The fiber content of spinach is 0.2 grams, and protein is 2.9 grams, and carbohydrates 3.6 grams. So it's low in carbohydrates and calories. Banana carries the title of superfood. It is extremely healthy and delicious. It's a great source of potassium, which helps in controlling blood pressure. And it is rich in fiber, containing about 3 grams of fiber in a one medium-sized banana. And the type of fiber called pectin may protect against colon cancer. So it is also rich in tryptophan. It's an amino acid, which helps in elevating the mood. Banana is rich in vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, manganese, and it gives about 100 calories per banana. Avocado is low in carbohydrates, high in fiber, and healthy fat. So healthy fat is monounsaturated fat, so you don't have to worry about the fat content of avocado. It contains antioxidants, which helps reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration in the eyes. And it's a very good source of vitamin B, E, C, and various minerals. The potassium content of avocado is higher than bananas, which helps in controlling the blood pressure. So you can see it's rich in all types of vitamin B, especially vitamin B6, folate, pantothenic acid, that's B5, and vitamin K. And the protein content is about 2 grams, and the fiber content is 6.7 grams. The interesting fact about the beta-sitosterol present in avocados is that it helps in relieving the symptoms of enlarged prostate, and the content of beta-sitosterol is 4 times higher than in oranges. So Granny Smith green apple, so it's low in calories, just about 52 calories, and rich in fiber, and rich in vitamin C, and high in antioxidant activity, and highest concentration of phenols. So it's low in calories, high in fiber, and high in potassium. It has become a best choice for healthy and weight loss diets. And again, the soluble fiber called pectin present in the skin of the apple, it prevents constipation and it plays a role in preventing bowel disorders. And the phytochemicals such as quercetin and others have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So we are using 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds here for this smoothie. So 3 tablespoons contain about 9.5 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, and 116 calories. So it is rich in protein, healthy fat, vitamin B and E, and various minerals. Hemp seeds are the best plant-based protein source for vegans, containing all essential amino acids. And the protein present in hemp seeds is similar to the protein present in the meat, eggs, and milk. And there is a amino acid called arginine, and high amount of this arginine helps in decreasing the blood pressure. And hemp seeds overall are a very good source of healthy fat, especially omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Hemp seeds is one of the few sources of omega-3 found in the plant sources, and some people use coconut water or fruit juices available in the stores instead of water to make the smoothie. I don't suggest to use this because these are processed ones and they have added sugars, added flavors, and they are not natural anyway. So you have to put all these ingredients in a blender. Add the water as per the desired consistency of the smoothie. Some people would like it very thin, and some people like to even make it very thick and eat with a spoon. So Go ahead and add water as desired and just put everything into the blender and blend it. That's it. So it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to make it. So I can say that this smoothie with all these ingredients is a complete meal in terms of providing adequate amounts of protein, carbohydrate, fat, fiber, and vitamins, minerals, and also rich in antioxidants. Don't skip the breakfast. Instead, you can make this smoothie, which doesn't take much time. And I can say that this smoothie is a complete meal in itself. So don't skip any meals ever, which is not a good thing at all. You can also have this smoothie after a workout. So go ahead and try this smoothie and leave your comments and feedback. Thanks for watching. Go natural for healthy and happy life. Namaste.